Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best auto darkening welding helmet you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the auto darkening welding helmet in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Tekware darkening welding helmet. The larger viewing makes this lightweight shield very comfortable for continuous wear. However, replacing the scratch magnet front face shield has been disappointing. An incredible amount of viewing area, crisp, clear, lightweight and stylish, a big hit at my job. I just bought 3 hood within the month. I like them all, but this one is my clear choice for everyday use. Looks cooler in person. It came with an extra battery and extra lenses. The auto darkening welding helmet protects your face and head from the injury during the operation. It adopts the streamlined design and cleverly avoids the effect of fog on the surface of the mirror when it is low temperature, and you can breathe normally. The head hoop of the welding face has the size and the 4-direction adjustment function, which can be adjusted flexibly according to the requirements of the head type and comfort. The sponge covering with high front and high density can protect the brow edge and increase the comfort degree. This product has the high quality and fashionable design, which are committed to providing you with the best quality products and feelings. Up to shade 16 UV or IR protection, protect damage from all sides. The built-in passive UV IR filter works continuously and independently, providing consistent performance with or without power. Exclusive designed cushion for double head protection. Headgear with oversized comfort cushion provides extensive adjustability, settings, and improved support for better fit and comfort. For details, let's watch more. Our second best auto darkening welding helmet is YESWELDER darkening welding helmet. The color is amazing, has grind and cut mode. Basically shade 3 to 13 available. Has that large 4 in view and my bifocals line up perfect every time. Headgear is comfortable but doubtful it would hold up to rugged use. I love the fact it is a 4 in lens, then the true color, wow, next level. For an inexpensive helmet it's great. The head straps may not be as strong as other brands but they do the job if you treat it well. Now you can make a good view even better. Upgrading the welding helmet with true color technology preserves the existing 1x1x1x2 optical clarity rating, but improves visibility by reducing the lime green tint. True color technology enables you to not only see better. Headgear with oversized comfort cushion provides extensive adjustability, settings, and improved support for better fit and comfort. The true color technology upgrade to YESWELDER welding helmets improves visibility and reduces eye strain by minimizing the traditional lime green coloring in the helmet view screen. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is DEKOPRO welding helmet. This helmet is awesome. I work in a shop as a machine operator and occasionally I weld there as needed. This helmet upped my game drastically. The lens stayed clearish until I started welding, then instantly turned dark and stayed dark until I stopped. Sometimes it'd weld for like a minute and it stayed dark the whole time. Obviously you will not have the customization you do with more expensive helmets, but if you need a great quality helmet at a reasonable price, I would recommend this to anyone. The lightweight, comfortable welding mask has a smooth, rounded perimeter, so you will wear it comfortably. By providing multiple adjustments and combinations, the helmet can be tailored to fit personal preferences and comfort settings. Less pressure, and a well-adjusted personal fit. Viewing area 7 square inches. Auto darkening system to protect eyes and face from harmful sparks, spatter and radiation during normal welding conditions. Convenient automatic dimming perfectly adapts to a variety of complex work environments. Adjusted head straps to ensure a tight fit so no hands required, leaving hands free for welding. Construction to reduce fatigue when wearing for long periods of time. Equipped with sensitivity and delay settings for adaptability for different work environments, enjoy enhanced visibility and color recognition. The auto darkening filter enables welders to adapt to various working environments by controlling the shade of the lens, sensitivity adjustments from ambient lighting sources, battery powered with solar panel technology for longer life. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is TOOLIOM Darkening Welding Helmet. The true color technology is amazing. The viewing area is out of this world. The headgear, oh the headgear. In all my years of welding, this is hands down the most comfortable straight out of the box I've ever used. The weight, it feels like it isn't there, it's as light as a regular grinding shield, you almost forget you have a hood on. Lightning fast reaction time, which is adjustable, also adjustable darkness setting. It's comfortable, large viewing window, helmet stays up and drops with a nod of your head like it should. It works for me. Now, I just have a little buzz box. If I was a journeyman welder, I probably would buy something more robust. Reducing the lime green tint, like looking through the clear window glass, providing a clearer welding vision to see your workpiece and ensure accurate location of welding point. Between welding and grinding. It is popular in metal fabrication industry, welding shops, auto manufacturing and repair industry, ship factories as well as DIY hobbyist projects. TOOLIOM welding helmet pursue high cost performance. It has the auto darkening, true color technology, easy to operate, lightweight shell, etc., to achieve the real value of the welding helmet. Last in our best auto darkening welding helmet list is Monster and Master Darkening Welding Helmet. The color is yellow when you weld on this helmet, it's sky blue on my Lincoln. Dust sticks to the inside screen lens on this one, but no big deal, a quick wipe and you're good to go. Works great with great price. Easy to adjust and lightweight. High flexibility, strong impact resistance. Corrosion and high temperature resistance. Whole hood is designed with lightweight, has luxury and unique headgear, so you will wear it more comfortably. Headgear with comfort cushion provides extensive adjustability, settings, and improved support for better fit and comfort. The True Color technology upgrade to Monster and Master welding helmets, Improves visibility and reduces eye strain by minimizing the traditional lime green coloring in the helmet view screen. Comfortable to wear. The design of the helmet conforms to ergonomic principles, and provides ample internal space, which makes it easy to operate and comfortable to wear. Fully protects. The helmet material is of soft texture but is strong and durable. It is resistant to corrosion, and both high and low temperatures. It is flame retardant and light proof. The helmet will fully protect your face, neck, ears, etc. Engineered with liquid crystal of high quality and optical coating to protect against ultraviolet and infrared rays.